Pumpkin cheesecake muffins combine two of the best flavors for fall, cheesecake and pumpkin. The moist and soft pumpkin muffins with cheesecake swirl are just the right amount of sweet comfort food. In the description box below, you will find a complete list of your needed ingredients. Heat your oven to 350 degrees and add your cupcake liners to the pan. In a large bowl, add your eggs, sugar, oil, and pumpkin. I use the hand blender to mix everything together. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, cinnamon, pumpkin spice, salt, and baking soda, and stir with a whisk. Add half of the dry ingredients to the wet and mix. Add the other half and mix together until it is combined. To make the cheesecake, combine the cream cheese, vanilla, egg, and powdered sugar in a small bowl and blend together until smooth. Fill each halfway with pumpkin batter. Add about 1 tablespoon of cream cheese batter on top. Add more pumpkin batter to the top. The muffin cups should be almost full. Using a toothpick, swirl the two batters together. Do not over swirl, just enough to see the swirl lines. Bake for about 20 minutes. If you test to see if they are done with a toothpick, be sure to stick the toothpick in the pumpkin batter and not the cheesecake. Let them cool in the muffin pan for about 10 to 15 minutes and then remove to a wire rack to cool completely. I hope you enjoyed this easy fall muffin recipe. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.